Have you ever wondered, can I hook up a car audio system inside my house? Well, it's a lot simpler than you think. Stay tuned to find out how. The first thing you're going to need to get is an AC to DC power converter. Your house runs off AC current, but the head unit from that car audio is going to run off 12 volts DC. You can find these off a lot of different appliances. This one came off an old Wi-Fi modem router. Now that you have your little inverter pack here, we are going to take the end of it here and we're going to cut off the specialty fitting so we can get down to the copper wires. Once you get down to the little wires, you're going to want to take a pair of strippers and just strip off a little bit of each end. This way we can test the voltage and see where we're going to get our 12 volts. Now that we have our specialty end cut off, you can see the three little wires hanging out right there. We're going to see the three little wires that we cut with the little stripped ends right here. The next step is to get your multimeter. On the multimeter, you're going to want to turn it to volts DC. When we zoom in here, you're going to see that that's the volt with the straight line and the little dots. The other one is for AC current. Now that we have our stripped ends and we have our multimeter, we're going to take the red positive end and put it on one of the wires, and we are going to put the black end and put it on another one, and we're just going to see what we get. As you can see here, we got 12.41. That's a pretty good reading, but now we're just going to check all of them by moving around the clamps, and I'll let you watch how we do that, and you can watch the readings as we go. Now that you know which two wires are going to give you a positive 12 volt reading, we can go to the back of the aftermarket radio. Most aftermarket radios are going to follow the same coloring dynamics for their wires, but it's not always the case. Check your manual before you start crimping. On this one, we have a red and a yellow wire that we need to hook up to the positive end of that AC to DC power pack. As you can see, I have it just crimped right here. After you have your positive taken care of, you're going to want to probably find your black. Black's usually ground on aftermarket. Now that you have your hot and your ground wired, it's time to wire up the speakers. Wire up the speakers, one hot, one ground. And just like that, boom, we got music in the garage. Now this is how I did it. Might not be the way you do it. You could find a better way to do it, but this will hopefully get you on the right path. Thanks for watching and good luck.